Guys, we are the pace setters. We started before the other automobile companies started.
I'm getting my old car diagnosed and assessed so I can swap for a new one.
Just like nice. A very different kind of game right here, where you'd have to pull the brakes such a way that the whole thing doesn't collapse.
He's trying to bully me, but I'll try my best.
Congrats. We are the showroom of CFAO, and they have a variety of cars from Mitsubishi, Suzuki.
If you're going to Accra Mall, you just tell the car, I'm going to Accra Mall. The vehicle will set up the navigation by itself.
It's also very good on fuel, okay? And we always advise that when you are driving on normal roads, like it's always better to put on a 4x4.
In case somebody takes the car from you and drives away, that's the end. Allow the person to go live my life for me. Because once he stops the car, because the key is with you, it will not respond. Diamonds, it's a Japanese word, Michu, Mitsubishi. So Michu means 3. So 3 diamonds.
Guys, did you even feel that? Did you hear that? And I think I can smell. It smells like success. So in case you can just chill.
2-wheel drive, we can have some in 4-wheel drive, but this 2-wheel drive, 1.5 liter for everyday use.
Chimney.
Most people say Jimmy.
It's supposed to be chimney. The back, I feel really comfortable. Even with this long legs, I feel really comfortable right here.